Hi, I'm Justin Stuart. In my walkthrough, I picked the string challenge. I'll pull it up real quick. In my code, as you can see on the screen, I first created string challenge that accepts a string as the input. Next, I created the variable var0cg and automatically did it false. I did this so that I assume the answer is false until it found a match. The main part of the program is a for loop. The loop goes through each character in the string, but it stops 4 characters before the end of the program. Doesn't try to look past the last character. Inside the loop, I used if statement. The if statement to check 2 possibilities. The first possibility is where the character A is 4 positions. The 4th position being B, that means there's 3 indexes between, and then the next one being B, and then 3 indexes between it, and the 4th one being A. If that was true, then it would change the variable var0cg to true, and then automatically break the loop. If it came out false, it would just keep looping. Finally, the function returns the value of var0cg in the last line of the program. It'll print the result. I kept getting issues and had to do this code like 3 times. So I just made it simple so that it was easy to read and it got only what the program wanted it to be. So next we'll go to our part 2 of the learning story, and I'll bring me up here. So one of the biggest challenges I've ever had to learn was programming, actually. Before taking cybersecurity and coding classes at Rose State, I had very little experience. So doing code was like a different language, like they say, and I learned that a little bit, just a little snippet of what it was. My approach had been to break every problem into smaller pieces instead of trying to solve everything at once. I tried to focus on understanding what the program needed to do first, and then write one section at a time, then test it, and then make changes until it worked correctly. And then if I got stuck, I would just research the problems and keep trying until it worked. My military service also, it played a big role on how I learned. I served in the Air Force from 2006 to 2020 on active duty, reserves. I learned a lot, discipline, patience, and how to keep working through difficult problems. Definitely same skills that help me every day when I run into a problem I don't know. Now, at this age, being 43, I'm a father of 2. I got a 17-year-old and a 2-year-old. Big problems in between. My oldest son is actually interested in also becoming a full stack developer, so it's fun to watch him kind of get into things, and I don't want to stop learning and show him, hey, you never stop learning, always reach for your goals and go for it. Looking back, one thing I would do differently, spend a little bit more time planning my code before I started coding. Writing out the logic first probably would help me avoid a lot of mistakes, make my code cleaner. But every challenge teaches me something new. And that's one reason I'm really excited about Code Platoon when I found out that the vet tech program is using y'all. I'm just ready to learn, improve my skills, and actually get the career I want to be in with software development on that aspect. So I really appreciate your time. Thank you.